Hey guys, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, and today I want to discuss a new app that I saw. It's called ARmagic, and this is an augmented reality app that is meant for small and local businesses. Now, if you are an agency that can sell to small and local businesses, or you have local customers, then this could be the next great product to promote out to them because it can help your businesses create AR experiences for their clients. Now, this app, I gave it a run actually, has a number of templates targeted towards different kinds of businesses, and it's got facilities to promote different things like you can put in links to your social media, you can put in links to your website. If you are a restaurant or a cafe or something, you can put in a link to your menu system too. So all of that is possible. People can reach the AR experience without any app, without any third party software, just from the regular phone. It works on both Android and iOS both. All they need to do is scan the QR code with their phone, and the augmented AR experience opens up, the 3D world opens up, then people can play with it. People can click on links to go to your websites, to your social media, to your menu. They can even watch a video in the AR experience. So this is something that could add a little bit of jazz to boring websites, boring menus. It could make people more engaged, and it's definitely a memorable experience. So when your customers and prospects see the AR experience, they're gonna be impressed. You can expect more conversions, more sales, and definitely a memorable experience for your clients. Now, the details of this product are right below. There is a link. You can click on the link and go to my review page where you can find all the information, including information about all the updates. It's all there. But I want you to watch my review because I took it for a spin and I show you exactly how it works. All right, so I am inside of ARmagic, and it's not a big software. If you look in terms of sections, there is projects where you see all the projects that you created, and there is storage. This is where you can see all the elements that you've uploaded, and you can see how much space they're taking. So if you go to my purchases, this is where you can check out what you actually bought in here. Now, coming back to projects, this is the place where you create your AR augmented reality environment. People who come to your AR environment will see exactly this. Now you can create a QR code for each one of your augmented reality environments, and this is actually something that local businesses can use. So if you've got a local business, if you've got a business that is connected to people walking in or people interacting with your business physically, then this is something that can be really intriguing for your customers. You can put out pamphlets inside your store, inviting them to scan the QR code and then check out your product or check out some virtual environment that you created. And you can also put out stickers. So if you are doing this around the town, maybe you've got pamphlets stuck around the town, or you've got other stuff, you can invite people to check out the QR code and then interact with you in some sort. You can offer them a discount coupon like this guy over here, you can give them some more information like this particular project has a business card and it's got social media links too. So whatever you want to do out of these, you could do that and have your guest, your visitor, your prospect interact with your business and be kind of like intrigued by the AR magic that you created. You know, people like innovative and new stuff. So when you tell them, hey, interact with our AR environment, they will likely do so, and it's a good way to engage your customers and to convert them. Let's get into the software now. So you can create a new project by clicking on the plus button over here, and this gives you access to a bunch of ready-made templates. So you can start with a blank world, or you can use one of the templates. Like, it's got many local business templates: pawn shop, locksmith, landscaping business, jewelers, in-house kitchen like a restaurant or chef business, freight truck business, home theater, golf, financial planner, computer repair shop, lots of different businesses. There are all sorts of little environments created for dozens and dozens of businesses. So I'm going to go for a juice shop over here. Click on it and click on next. Then you got to give it a name like Jeets Juice Store, whatever you want to call it, and it will automatically assign a URL for this. Click on next again, and then you can decide whether you want to have a QR code as a target. And I would always recommend a QR code, because what happens is people can scan the QR code with their phones. It's easy and it's obvious. They don't need to figure it out. Use image as a target. I think that's more difficult because people then cannot scan it and it will be less obvious. So QR code is fine. You can select a little bit of options like how big the code should be, and you can also select the specifications of the QR code, like what you want in there. Now these are special, your basic design things. You can choose, you can customize it a little bit according to your business if you want to. Once you're ready, you're satisfied, click on next, and it'll ask you to give some information about the web page. So check out my juice shop, orange juice. I'll put some keywords. This is the AR environment. Click on submit. That's it. Your AR juice shop is created. It's a 3D model, so people can play with it any way they want. They can move it around in a 3D world. And you've got three different images over here for Instagram, for Facebook, and for your website. So the first thing, of course, you want to do is link it to some place. And to do that, click on the image and then click on add action. So you got some actions over here. You can open a web page, play a sound. So if you're gonna put in a song or a music over there or some sound over there, that's absolutely doable. And okay, I'm not gonna play a sound actually. And or you could, if it's and remember it's on the phone, so you can also have the person calling you. So you can connect it to a phone or WhatsApp or even send an email, or you can make it a little bit of gaming kind of a thing, make it move a little bit, make it more fun, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to open a web page. So click on that. I clicked on that. I'm going to delete the player sound. And let's say I had a Instagram profile, my juices, whatever you want to write in. So it's the same thing for Facebook. I can connect it to my Facebook profile, and the web page I can connect it to my website. Now you can add more elements to this page, even videos. Check out the sidebar over here. You can add images, or you can even add video. So if you click on add video, you can then upload a video. I actually have a video that I want to add. Let me see if I have something over here. Just remember that this will take up space on your allocated space over here. So make sure that you have enough space to upload the video that you're targeting. This one is pretty small. Okay, so the video has been uploaded, and okay, let me see. Here it is, I think. So I put it a bit to the side. You can similarly add in shapes if you want, like just click on plus and you can see these basic shapes that you can add, and you can put in some call to actions, like put in your details of your store, maybe whatever you want. Put in some text, click on save, and you have the text over here. And I want to just move it around. It's a bit hidden, so I gotta move it around. So I can just change the control like this and move it around like this. So you've got some basic controls like rotate. This is for moving around the text or whatever you created. You want to rotate it, that's perfectly possible too. Or if you want to scale it, make it bigger or smaller, easy to do. Just use these controller boxes, controller buttons, and you can make them bigger or smaller. Can do the same thing with video. In fact, you can make it bigger or smaller. All right, so then you can also add in 3D models, and these are standard GLB model files. In fact, you can find them online on repositories. So if you can get a third-party model online and you like it, you can just add it to the environment, and that just makes it more customized. So this is what the software is. Now we got to see this in action. To do that, first save it and then publish, and you will see the QR code that will be utilized. So what we're going to do now is we got to go over to the phone, because the rest of the work is not on the computer, it's on the phone. So I will show you a demo of that. Click on this and you will see the QR code on full screen. And now I'm actually using my phone. I will plug this in. So I can actually scan the QR code using my phone. It's scanning it now. And then I can open the link. And this will take me to the web page with the AR environment. So click on launch like this, and you can see my environment is loading. And it's gonna scan the QR code again. And you can see my little juice shop is right over here. All right, so hold on. I can play with this. People can zoom in and zoom out. Of course, one thing you have to remember, the customer's phone has to be pointed to the QR code. So if the QR code goes out of the focus or goes out of the camera, then of course the environment will disappear. Because this is AR, so augmented reality is always about, something pointed to something, and then it works. You can pinch to make things smaller, and if you want to go to the URLs, click on the button and it takes you to the URLs, so you can have people come to your Instagram or your Facebook or your website. I didn't put in a website, so you can see that. I think my video is hidden somewhere. I think probably behind the video or behind the details or something. So I don't see a link to it, but of course it should show up. So this is what people can do with this. It's fun and it can engage your audience in a better manner. If you do decide to purchase ARmagic, get it from my link, because when you purchase it from me, I also give you access to some really good bonuses. And not just that, I give you Technic Force rewards points for every purchase, and you can redeem these rewards points for access to my high quality software and apps. You won't need to pay for them. So this is a very special offer from me, and if ARmagic is something that suits you, something that you want to have, make sure you get the correct deal from me. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.